everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for April 7th to April 13th. You're going to hear background noise because my husband likes making noise while I'm doing a video, so just don't worry about him. But what I want to share with you guys is the deal of the week. Now, I thought it was going to be $2 off coupons, but those coupons do expire on Saturday, and I think these coupons are a limit of 1 per transaction. I am not 100% positive on that, but I just want to give you guys a heads up on that. But they are going to be $4.99. If you can only use one, you guys would end up paying $8.98 for 2 Persills. But then you guys get 5,000 points for buying 2 of them. And then you guys would end up getting them for $3.98 or just $2 a piece. So I think it's an okay deal for Persil. Persil's my favorite laundry detergent. I use that all the time. That's one thing I don't like getting rid of or anything. I'll keep it because I like it. I've just been loyal to that for the past couple years. They got Kit Kats and Reese's, 2 for $1. So if you guys need some filler items or just need some things to fill an Easter basket, there is that. Kellogg's cereals, 2 for $1. We're getting $1 off a 2 online coupon, making them $1.50 a piece. An okay deal. Scott's is probably going to be on sale all month long, but they are buy one, get one 50% off. Now, we do have 50% off coupons, so you guys want to use 2 coupons, you guys would end up paying $6.50 or $3.25. I wouldn't say it's a stock-up price, but it is a pretty decent deal on that, but just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Now, they have a really good deal with the soft soap and Irish Springs. Now, was it 2 weeks ago? There was printable coupons for soft soap for 50 cents. I hope you guys still have those. But what you guys want to use is 2 50-cent off printable coupons from coupons.com that are no longer available. You guys would pay $6.98 for 2 of them. You get 5,000 points. Comes out to be $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece if you guys want soft soap body wash. Now here's a good stock up deal for Irish Springs. People are going to go crazy for it. They are going to be $3.99. You guys want to use $2 off coupons that we will be getting this Sunday. You guys would pay $5.98. You get 5,000 points. Comes out to be just 98 cents for 2 of them or 49 cents a piece. So if you guys get inserts or extra coupons and you want to do this deal, definitely do that deal. And this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points, and they also count towards beauty. So giving you guys a heads up with that. Arm & Hammer is buy one, get one free in case you guys need some Arm & Hammer products. Now this is actually the last page of the Walgreens ad. I don't know why they kind of just switched things up, but they do have some nuts and everything for $1.99 if you guys were interested in that. Now here we're at cleaning products. Nothing that's really pointing out at me. Renews it's 89 cents. We are getting a buy 3, get 1 free coupon if you guys are interested in that. Clorox is 2 for $5. Now I do know there was some printable coupons for $1 off of 2, so they come out to be $2 a piece if you guys are interested in cleaning products. I know with all the spring cleaning it's nice to have. We got those. All and everything right here is going to be $2.99. Now this week right now that's going on, there was a better deal, but this week it's $2.99. Now we do have some all coupons that haven't expired yet. They are going to be in the 310 Red Plum or Retail Me Not, so you guys can get those for $1.99 if you guys didn't stock up already. Now we are getting Purex Crystals coupons. We're getting buy 2, get 1 free. So if you guys buy 3 of them, you guys would pay $5.98 for 3 of them, or they just come out to be $1.99 for the Purex Crystals. So it just depends on if you guys want to stock up on that. I periodically use those. So cereal, more Kellogg's deals. Again, I just mentioned that from the first page, and then they got buy 1, get 1 free ketchup and barbecue sauce, peanut butter and jelly, 2 for $4. Don't forget the bread. There's just not much stuff going on with the food deals that I see. And my phone just decides to go off all at the same time. Here's candles, 3 for $24. Then you get a 5,000 points when you buy 3 of them. I wouldn't say that's a great deal, but hey, if you guys like their candles and you need some, you can buy shirts for 15 bucks. Look at that, $15. But most likely those shirts will still be available when summer goes 90% off. They got some stuff for stocking stuffers for Easter baskets. They got some chalk, kinetic sand, and these stress things, 3 for $5. Magic cards, Pokemon, buy one, get one free. They got some other stuff, some confetti eggs, buy 2 get 1 free, Peeps, all that fun stuff. And now we're going to get in the personal care products. A lot of the makeup is not the greatest deal. I think we're getting CoverGirl coupons. I know we're getting Revlon for sure. There's some Revlon lip coupons. Almay. I think we're getting Almay also. But nothing really popping out with that. And now we got Schick razors. They're $5.99. We are getting $4 off coupons, making them $1.99. There is a deal where if you spend $20 or more, you get 5,000 points, but those coupons are a limit of 2, so it depends on what you guys want to do. The Gillette Skin Guard razors are $9.99. We're getting a $1 digital coupon. Then if you guys buy one, you get a $5 register reward. Not the greatest. Crest toothpaste is $2.99. We have $1 off coupons, and then you get a $1 register reward for buying one, making them 99 cents. That's for toothpaste and mouthwash. Not the greatest deal. Mouthwash, yes, but toothpaste, no. And then Colgate toothpaste is $2.99. We have those 50-cent off coupons. Then you get a 2,000 points when you buy 2. That means they basically come out to be $1.49 a piece. Not the greatest deal on that, but I see they're doing more points deals than they are doing register rewards, which is nice. Now we're into the vitamins and medicines and all that stuff. Nothing that's really popping out. But yeah, they have Tampax, buy one, get one 50% off. We do have those 3 off of 2 coupons, and then if you spend $25 or more, you get 5,000 points. I haven't bought feminine products at Walgreens in years, I think. And that is pretty much it, is what they have on sale. So I just wanted to share with you guys some easy deals and coupons that you want to get. But I know the Irish Spring deal is going to be probably the best deal that they have, and I'm hoping to get some Persil. So just wanted to share with you guys on those deals. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.